What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. We are here in the Integra. Let's see if we can get this to start on the first go. Prime it. Nice. Looking like Christmas. All them lights on the dash. Oh, jeez. Anyway, we're here in the Integra, which actually runs.
He gets to the top, looks down at us, and
that's Joe Rogan.
You see
I'm gonna tell you something about me, Joe Rogan, that you might not know. I smoke rocks.
We are in my Integra right now. We are headed out to go pick up a used distributor. Let's get on the way, actually. Motherfucker, come on. So, I haven't made a video lately. I have been extremely busy trying to secure this job, and I did get the job. I'm right now negotiating salary, so that's fucking awesome. Very happy about that. I'm gonna be a videographer for this company here in town. I'll be able to say a little bit more about it in the future. So if you guys haven't seen, my Turbo Civic is down right now. I will leave a little card up above. You can click there and check that out. And basically I'm having distributor issues. Everything points towards the ignition coil at this point. Unfortunately, the screws stripped and I broke my Dremel wheel, so I can't like cut a groove in it for a flathead. So I'm just gonna buy another distributor, and a buddy of mine is gonna sell me one. A buddy of mine's gonna be selling me this used one. Here we go. Buddy's gonna be selling me this used one, 30 bucks. So hopefully I can at least diagnose my head gasket issue. I have all the stuff to do the head gasket, got head bolts and all that, but I just kind of want to get it running since the snow's starting to melt and I want to get out there and rip it. Anyway, yeah, so we're headed to his place right now, and yeah, hopefully we get what we need. 30 bucks. Tired of spending money on this damn thing. Just want it to run. Dizzy right there. Look at this view. Man, look at that. Bam! Just like that, we're back in the garage here. All right, so we are here with my Turbo Civic. If you haven't seen the videos about this, like I said, you can go back and check them all out. There are a shit ton. So right now we've got a no start situation. The distributor is old as fuck, so I did buy this distributor here. That should work, and we're gonna throw that on, get it timed up, hopefully. We'll see how far we get. All right, y'all. I fucked up big time. This is a OBD2B plug, and the one I bought was OBD2A, OBD2. So apparently they changed for 99 and 2000 Civics, different style plug. So I had to take that one back, and I ordered a Dizzy off of Amazon, so it'll be here tomorrow with that 1-day Amazon Prime shipping. So hopefully we'll get this taken care of tomorrow. I really want to get it started. So yeah, that's where we stand right now. just kind of wait until tomorrow. So we'll see.